Here's what we're working on Reinholds Restorations. This is a 1930 Model A Roadster. Guy's having running problems, running like crap. Got the head off. You can see with the head gasket was leaking for quite a while. I don't know if you can see the cylinder wall has a lot of pitting and in there. And also somebody bored out some of these cylinders. Some are 40 thousandths over, some are 60 thousandths over. See, this piston's a 60 over, this one's a 40 over. Different size bores. And then also you got this problem. I don't know if you can hear that slapping, but that's a good bit of play in there. So we're gonna have to pull the motor and rebuild it. You're gonna hear a lot of piston slap, a lot of noise. That's what we're working on, Reinholds Restorations.